Jesus.
You got the tires done. So that's Pelican Lagoon. Yeah.
Anxiety, a lot of people concerned for their loved ones. So in the case of the Bali bombing, only about a year later, these kids, I don't use the word advice, but these kids who were at the nightclub
How far is it?
What?
How far is it?
Not sure, but it's going to take us a while.
Okay.
Because this road is shocking.
Yeah, I think they'd
Grade it.
yeah. They probably think it's part of the charm. It keeps the hoons out or something. Interesting soil over there. We'll have to find something there. Maybe some glids or something.
Where?
On the right side there, over there. But we'll get to the thing. I'll walk out with on it. Principality of Mustard, eh?
Yeah.
Sounds
Grand, isn't it?
Sounds like they've got their own passports here, isn't it? So why couldn't they do this all the way to the corner? As I said, probably keep the hoons
I
out.
think it's only through the town. Probably stop again in a minute.
Okay. Oh, okay, so we've got miles to go, have we?
Oh, fair way.
Oh, okay, so it's all round the other side of the lagoon, is it? Okay.
There's only houses here. There's no shops or anything.
Oh, I spoke too soon.
If we go there to American River, we're not coming this way. We'll go by the main road.
Yeah. Let's change the name to D-Sump Road or something. Where Carl is it's some.
Your pictures are going to be.
It's even getting the stabiliser to run for its money.
I need that strap we gave you for your birthday.
Oh yeah, it's just for your singing area, I think. Yeah. Let's look at the saw here, anything? Oh, they've got some of that, what do they call? Not wedding vine, what's it called? And that grows with the great foliage on the mainland, so you never know. What's it called? wedding vine or engagement vine.
Oh, that stuff that's a weed.
Yeah, what's it called? I can't remember. It's got a common name and it sounds like wedding vine or engagement vine or something.
Wedding veil.
Yeah, that's it. Wedding veil. Yeah. Yeah, I think.
Bloody hell.
And they get to do that work. I get to do that work as well. But this work really requires the kind of I've been struck by how many people who are like me still at it in Harvard's doing this work.
There's some water there.
Oh, yeah. Ought to find something out on here.
Eh?
Ought to find something out on one of these sites. Bridesmaid's veil or something? Yeah, it doesn't.
What?
Is it called bridesmaid's veil?
Bridal veil.
Bridal veil, that's it. Bridal veil, yeah. I knew it wasn't sounding quite right. Bridal veil, that's it, yes. And there's onion weed along here. Onion weed.
Can you explain why solids are so important in this jigsaw puzzle?
What were they?
What?
They had white tail feathers and black and...
Yeah, the Carawans.
Didn't quite get the camera in front of the dashboard fast enough. Well, it's got some sunnage now. And what did you call that thing coming in?
What?
Did you say a southeaster, Easter or
Northerly.
something? Northerly, yeah.
There is a contest of values between...
It always looks like a temperature inversion, doesn't it?
What's this stuff with the flowers on it?
Yeah.
Kind of tea tree?
Yeah, it looks like it could be something like that.
Serious concern even before you get to depressions and naval bases. It looks a bit kind of influence shown that some of these fragile countries.
Get the map out.
Yeah.
Does it give a number?
Yeah, yeah, 416.
Oh, okay.
I think we need to be very conscious of that.
So we've passed 200 and something back there, so we're still a fair way away.
Yeah. Kestrel-DOWNS, 416, Muston Road, Religan Lagoon. Okay. Okay.
You talk about people caring, but in terms of this, we care because it's important to us and we can see a strategic value in it. Is that not right?
Binary between our own interests and the interests of the region. If you take, for example, a country like very well Papua New Guinea, Australia's closest neighbour, and a place we have very, very significant interests. The interests of Papua New Guinea, the interests of Australia directly are the same. It's in Australia's interests for that country to be prosperous, secure, stable, and for the people of that country to get access.
Got some,
Berger.
yeah.
That's 380. So it's getting closer.
Yeah, 380, 416, can't be that far. Yeah, it's way across on that side.
Yeah. It's a lot further than I thought.
Yeah. Well, this
A
is
lot
better.
further than it looks on the map.
Yeah. Council needs to do a little bit of work on these roads for them. in return for their rates, I think.
It's probably been so wet.
Yeah. And also, I suppose you had the bushfire as
Yeah,
well.
they're fixing up the bushfire stuff, I can imagine.
Oh, what's this one? 4... Is it 4? 416, yeah, that's the one. Will your car fit? That's fair. Well, you wouldn't get a fat ass down here, would you? Barely get a fat ass up here. We live here as well. These Drosera. I don't think they live here too much, but
No, the animals.
I know. I know. Well, I mean, they don't live here too much. They live here as well.
Were that Russia was making their first incursion into Ukraine. There was a lot of focus in Australia on that particular chapter, partly because of the Australian
Oh, well, I can see the stairs
Yeah.
right ahead of us. So it's just like walking over the back fence and up there, I reckon. Well, at least we've got plenty of bushland around to explore.
once again upon us, and
You know, might find a new pygmy out here or something.
it's all been part of
A limestone lover or something. No one's ever bothered to look because of the limestone.
it just shows how hard
Don't they grow in limestone?
No, most CPs don't like. There's only Drosera and some pinguiculus. That's what's so unusual about the pinguiculus. Some of them in the same genus completely abhor calcium. Others benefit from it. You know, they're facultative.
Facultative?
Yeah,
Facultative.
Oh, okay, facultative.
original situation or responding to potential crisis. You do have to be thinking.
I must have had a knobhead at Flinders or something, because that's what they used to say.
Preparing for the last crisis.
Well, bacteria. Facultative.
I've forgotten his name now. He used to use it a lot. It was his word. He used to love using it because it was very hard to explain what it actually meant.
Foreshadowing to this other time.
It can be easy after long periods of time in any job, but particularly in the kind of work that you do, to become jaded. Did you leave this area loving it still, or jaded?
No, I certainly didn't leave jaded. I left that particular role.
Well, it's a long way in.
Machinery.
Going all the way back to where we came from.
And, but I went on to, be head of mission overseas, as you mentioned, things that I've
You've got 7 more minutes on here, so take your time.
Well, I'm not speeding.
Well, there's the rainwater tank anyway.
It must be pumping it out of the wall.
and being head of the Australian Consulate Service, mainly because
Might have some flint there as well. Oh, here we go. Wow. That's a view.
It's been good to talk with you. Thank you.
Kestrel-DOWNS, eh?
He has written a book called The
Almost looks like it was a, what do they used to call those things in America? Something stations. Oh, well, I've got some hibiscus in the, oh, they're plastic ones though.
Paper by the look of it.
Okay.
Now, what's the...
Yeah. Not a workstation, what they used to call them? Scientific stations of some sort. Right.
Let me see a little thing for the key somewhere.
Yeah. Yep, there. Oh, there's another one round here as well. Oh, it's probably for those. Okay. Barbecue. Have a guess. No, not in the car. It should be on this setting now. Okay. And why has it got a red thing to the card? Oh my god. It's never come up before. It's not recording to the card, or oops. You got it in there right?
Yeah.
There's another one around for the cabinets around the side, I think.
Might be for barbecue and stuff.
Yeah. Okay. Finish off the clip. Okay.
Very nice.
Yeah, we certainly stay warm. Certainly stay warm anyway. Oh yeah. Not bad. Oh yeah. Wow, you can look out the window and everything. The bathroom's locked, I think.
No, that's another bedroom.
Oh, okay. Laundry, toilet. Oh wow, a big fridge. Yeah, quite a big one. Oh yeah, big freezer in there. Microwave, big oven, lots of drawers and yep, pots and pans and stuff. Yep. Yep. All the accoutrements.
As long as there's a microwave.
Yep. All the accoutrements. Oh, and a dishwasher as well.
Yeah. That's not currently working.
Oh, okay.
It was installed
Yeah.
yesterday, I think.
Oh, right, you got some broadband there. What's it called? Round board. Oh, yeah. Someone got wine glasses. Yep.
Have we got any instructions, like what's the Wi-Fi password and stuff?
Probably.
Wi-Fi network.
Okay.
There it is.
Okay. Yeah. You got all the bits. Oh, yeah. Right, and yeah. Oh, not bad. We got lots of CP related weeds there, so that's something. Yeah, lots and lots of CP related weeds in the soil. Oh, you never know, we might find something. Well, that's about it for us at the moment. Okay.